Hello students, this is Ms. Fatma, teacher of class 2 from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan-e-Johar campus. Students, in this video, we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter The Trap. So let's begin. Students, do you remember the story of chapter The Trap? What happened in the story? Once there was a tiger who was caught in a trap. He tried to get out of the trap, but he couldn't. Then a boy was walking by. The tiger asked for help from the boy, and the boy decided to help the tiger. But as soon as the tiger got out of the trap, he caught hold of the boy. The boy cried. So the tiger told the boy that he could ask for help from the 3 things he see. But none of those 3 things decided or agreed to help the boy. But since the boy was honest, Jekyll decided to help the boy. The boy met Jekyll and told him about the tiger. So Jekyll decided to help the boy. And he helped the boy in putting the tiger back into the trap. So students, now we are going to do the question answers which is taken from this chapter, from this story, The Trap. So we are going to do the question answers in English CW copy. So I want all of you to take out your English CW copy and start writing these question answers in it. You will write down the topic, The Trap. These questions are given on your book page number 14, exercise A, question number 1. Let's start from question number 1. Why was the road unhappy? Yes, students, why was the road unhappy? Remember when the boy asked for help from the road? What did it reply? The road replied that people walk and ride all over me and they throw rubbish on me, but nobody helps me. So that was the reason why road was unhappy. So the answer will be the road was unhappy because people ride and walk on it but never keep it clean and never helps it. Students, so what is the answer? The road was unhappy because people ride and walk on it but never keep it clean. Moving on to question number 2. How did people hurt the tree? How did people hurt the tree? Yes, students, how did people hurt the tree? People hurt the tree by taking fruits from it and in return cut its branches. This is how people hurt the tree, by taking fruits from it, but in return they cut its branches. This is how people hurt the tree. Question number 3. Who let the tiger out of the trap? Who let the tiger? They are asking about the person who let the tiger out of the trap. So students, who let the tiger out of the trap? Remember when the tiger was caught in a trap and he was trying to get out? There was nobody to help him, but a boy was walking by and he decided to help the tiger. And he got the tiger out of the trap. So who let the tiger out of the trap? The boy let the tiger out of the trap. I repeat, the boy let the tiger out of the trap. Moving on to question number 4. Who put the tiger back in the trap? Who put the tiger back in the trap? Now again they are asking about the person who put the tiger back in the trap. So students, remember who put the tiger back in the trap? When the boy was asking for help, when the tiger got hold of the boy and he was asking for help, the jackal decided to help the boy. and he helped the boy in putting the tiger back in the trap. So who put the tiger back in the trap? The jackal put the tiger back in the trap. The jackal put the tiger back in the trap. Remember, how did the jackal do so? The jackal asked the tiger about how did he get into the trap in the beginning. And he asked the tiger to show it to him. So the tiger walked inside the trap to show the jackal the way he got into the trap in the beginning. And as soon as the tiger stepped into the trap, got back into the trap, the jackal shut the door. So this is how the jackal put the tiger back in the trap. Moving on to question number 5. Do you think that the bullock was very strong? Yes, students. Do you think that the bullock was very strong? So students, remember when the boy asked for help from bullock, what did it reply? It replied that I work hard all day and get little to eat, and nobody helps me. So, yes, the bullock was strong because it worked hard all day long. So students, what will be the answer of this question? Do you think that the bullock was very strong? Yes, I think the bullock was very strong, as it worked hard all day long. Yes, I think the bullock was very strong, as it worked hard all day long. So students, I hope you all have understood how to answer these questions from the given story, from the story which we have discussed. I hope you all have found this story very interesting, and I want all of you to do these 5 questions in your English CW copy. Complete these 5 questions in your English CW copy and make sure that your work is neat and tidy. Thank you.